my day off, but I'll be doing things. You know, your day off is never really your day off. So today I'm gonna be doing my teeth whitening. I don't really know if they work or whatever, but I'm gonna try. My teeth whitening I'm gonna be doing today. I'm gonna be using some Quasil scrub on my face. I'm gonna show y'all that. I don't even know where to look. If I should look there or here or up there. Anywho, yeah, your girl, I'm breaking out a little bit. I think it's hormonal breakage out, so I'm trying to work at that. But yeah, I'm basically boiling the kettle now so I can dip these in to mold around my teeth and then put the gel on whatever the case is and all that good stuff. So I'll see you shortly. So that's the cup, that's the kettle. So you need to boil the kettle to remold the teeth molders, because you need to make it be exact on your teeth, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna show you how I do it. So you boil the kettle like this, and yeah, and also I'll be doing I'll basically be editing. I want to edit about 2 vlogs today, because I've been, the thing with vlogging is not that it's hard. I think the hardest part is the editing, because you know, I can vlog, it's easy to pick up a camera and do all that stuff. It's just finding time to edit, finding a good editing software. So that's the water. What you do is just dip it in for about 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you don't want it to get too soft, then you shake it off. Oh! Lord of mercy, that is just baby girl. Just put the gel like so. You want to put like a good amount of gel as well, so your teeth don't, you know. I don't know, I remember one YouTuber used this when I went to whiten her teeth and it actually did work. But I think you need to do it like at least maybe every 2 to 3 weeks. So I need to try and do that. Hopefully the little machine is. Is finished, and you just pop it back in. Oh, that's why you need to cut off these things, so you need to put the, hold on. Hey me Julsz, so basically finished eating. Today has been a very chill day, so I'm just going to wash up the dishes. I'll wash up the dishes and then have a little chit chat with y'all. Okay. Sorry, I just had a notification come through the phone. But yeah, how are you guys doing? Your girl is back in the cup. I hope you appreciate this consistency, because y'all know me and I know me too. I've got to say I'm quite proud of myself. I have been yeah. Talk about being clumsy, Julsz. What was I gonna say? I've been watching this new series on Netflix. I don't know if you guys have seen it. It's called Ultimatum. It's very similar to the one where they find date. What's it called? Is it not? It's not Blind Date. But it's presented by the same presenters. What's it called? Where they're in the little booths and they don't see each other until, I can't remember what it's called for the love of me. But anywho, from that description you should kind of figure out what I'm talking about. So Ultimatum is a new dating show where couples have been together for a while. One is ready to get married, one isn't quite ready. So the one that's ready to get married is the one that gives the partner the ultimatum. Like, it's either we get married or we split up. So I've been watching that. The storylines is just crazy. It's absolutely crazy because yes, you're giving an ultimatum, but quite a few of the couples, when they've gone to sorry, spoiler alert, so if you're watching it and you haven't really reached the point I'm going to talk about, I would say to stop watching the vlog now. But anywho, yeah, so basically what you have to do is choose a new partner from the partners that have come in. So there's been 3 partners, so obviously you're going to swap partners or whatever the case is. You live with that swapped partner for 3 weeks. Now in that 3 weeks you can do whatever, really. There's no such rules as you can't sleep together, you can't, you know, kiss or whatever. It's whatever you guys do. Now there's a lot of feelings being thrown around. So after the 3 weeks of living with the new partner, you then have to live 3 weeks with your partner that you came on the show with, to see if the sparks is still there or if you want to recouple completely with the person that you chose in the beginning. Woo! Child, I tell you, some people really know how to play with their emotion, because me, sorry sis, I couldn't. I mean, these people are not married, they're just boyfriend and girlfriends. But even so, even if I had if I was in like a boyfriend and girlfriend relationship, I personally still couldn't do the whole ultimatum, you know, you living with a new girl for 3 weeks, me living with a new man for 3 weeks, because why? Like, what am I going to do for 3 weeks? Just sit on the sofa and just look at him like, hi? You know what I mean? It just wouldn't work out. At the end of the day, I do also strongly believe in love at first sight. So imagine you give your partner that ultimatum, and then when they come back, they're all feeling like, brethren, I don't think me and you gonna really do this thing, like I've fallen completely in love with the new person. That would totally smash you. And you've seen a few couples on the show, they didn't even want to progress with the challenge. They just said, okay, I want to marry you now. So it worked out good for some, whereas some, they're battling because do they choose their old partner or do they choose the new partner? But how quick can you get to know someone in 3 weeks to know if you want to marry them? Like, marriage is no walk in the park. Marriage is something very secret and very sacred to God as well. You can't just get married today and then want to divorce tomorrow. So it shows like those, I don't know how genuine they can be. Do you know what I mean? It's a bit crazy, to be honest. But if you haven't watched it, please go and check it out. It is amazing, and it's something quite interesting for you to watch on Netflix as well. To be honest, I don't think I have ruined it for anyone, because I haven't called any names, I haven't given you the storyline, so there was really no spoiler alert anyway. So yeah, if you haven't watched Ultimatum, go ahead and watch it. I think what I'm going to start doing is, whatever I watch on Netflix or Amazon Prime, if I like it, if it was a buzz, if it was buzz, then I will come and give you guys my Netflix and Amazon Prime suggestion. I think I'm going to do that maybe every 2 weeks, because hubby and I do watch quite a few things. I think I'll record that one for Thursday maybe, my Netflix selection, because we have watched a few series on Netflix that has really been like, oh my gosh, you know, there's a few Viking shows that has literally caught my attention. I've loved watching it. I do like watching like historical kind of series or movies. Like, I wouldn't mind sitting down and watching a little slave trade movie because I do love history. Sounds weird, but I don't know, man. That's my genre. I love history, historical movies. I love action. I'm not a horror person because I'm not trying to watch no demon on my TV screen. But I will watch a horror every now and again, but not on an everyday tip. But I'm definitely like an action girl kind of girl. Like, I love a bit of action. My other genre is suspense. Yes, give me that suspense. Let me jump out the seat. Okay, give me that suspense. Let me jump out the seat. Right, so as I was saying, I am definitely a suspense kind of female. I do love a bit of, what was that? I don't like thriller and horror, but suspense, yes. I find that there's a lot of suspense movies on Netflix. There's a few on Amazon Prime. Yep. I'm also a massive, like, I'm not a bad girl in real life, but in my like the movies that I watch, yeah, I like a bit of Batman movies. So like Power, the whole trilogy, what you call them, the whole trilogy of Power I've loved. From the beginning of Power right down to Tommy, which is Force. I just love it. Like, I literally wait up each week for it. I don't know what 50 Cent is doing. He's literally wasting people's time and he's not posting enough, which is so annoying. Like, get these series out, my G. You have people waiting for no reason. But yeah, I will definitely upload my favourites and give you suggestions so you can go and have a look. So yeah, that is it really from me today. Thank you so much for watching. You know, I'm Julsztymm, and over here we have a good time all the time. Remember to subscribe, like, comment and share. I don't have a, me and Mum was talking about this, so I don't have a upload timetable. So some people will say to you, they upload it every Monday and Wednesday and da-da-da-da-da. My schedule is more like, whenever I vlog, you will get it. Now, I aim to vlog at least twice a week. So between 2 and 4 videos, you might get a week. That's what I aim to do. But I'm not going to tell you, oh, on this day, you know, maybe as time progresses and I understand more, like when you guys are more when you guys watch the videos mostly, like if it's on a Monday, if it's on a Wednesday, whichever day, once the analytics starts providing data, because obviously because I'm just coming back, the data isn't going to be as strong as if I'm there for like 2 months constantly posting. Then 2 months worth of data is a lot of data, so I can actually analyze that. So after maybe 2 months, then I might do a schedule. But for now, I'm gonna upload when I can. I'm gonna just upload, and then you guys will pick the dates by whichever day you watch the videos, you know what I mean? So yeah. Or if you guys have a suggestion, let me know in the comment below what days would suit you most, like what days would suit you best. I know that a lot of you work, a lot of you beautiful females are also on the grind like myself, so I know that one of the weekend days would be brilliant because a lot of you don't work, you have the weekend off. But obviously I don't want to just upload once a week, I want to upload like more. So maybe a Saturday, a Sunday, then 2 days in the week. I don't know. You decide and I'll see. I will see. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'm Julsztymm, and over here I'm good time all the time. Remember to subscribe, comment and share, and most importantly, click that like button, because when you click the like button, what it does, it literally pushes out my content so I get more engagement. It's all good and dandy that you watch, that you comment, and I really appreciate that, but if you really want to help a sister's channel grow or boost this year, you really do have to click that like button. So for instance, I think one of my recent videos got 250 views, right? But the likes are not matching the views. So then YouTube is not thinking, okay, her engagement is not matching, so they're not going to push it out to like new audiences. Yes, they might, even my even my current audience, they still might not push it out because with the notification, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. That's another thing. Turn on your notification bell so you never miss an update, an upload from me, because your girl is going to be very consistent. So help me so I can help you, so you can help me. Do you understand? Yeah. And if you want to purchase something from my website, from my business, the website is Timeless Beauty and You. Follow me on Instagram, _poo. And also follow me on Snapchat, because I've recently started to upload on my Snapchat quite frequent, like every single day now. So the Snapchat is Chinky Julsz, Julz, and how you spell Chinky normally. But my Instagram is Julsztymm, okay? So connect with a sister. I'm always here to talk. People can vouch for me. Like, I never turn on a conversation on Snapchat. Never, ever, 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 ever. Especially when it comes to like LDRs, long distance relationship, and all that good stuff. So if you ever want to have a little chit chat, like unbiased chit chat, like someone that you don't know, or that I know, even though you know me, I don't really know you, so I can't really judge you. If that makes sense. So yeah, hit me up. Like, I love a good combo. But yeah, I'm going now. Love you. Good night. I might just go have a wash, have a night wash. Do my whole body care routine, make face and scrubs and stuff. I'll obviously come in here and do like my scrub routine one day as well. Like, I have ideas, guys. Like, I'm coming back, boo. Okay. So yeah, love you. Be up on a nice clean stuff, and I will see you in the next vlog. Bye.